How to stop watching pornography? I have lost all hope. Question. I am deeply distressed and hopeless. I cannot stop masturbating and watching porn. I spend the entire day lying at home. I have been on depression medication for 6 to 7 years. I am no longer capable of doing anything. Please save me. Guidance from Maharaj Ji. You don't need to leave anything. Starting today, stop worrying about quitting anything. Just hold on to chanting the holy name, and do not stress over what's happening. Be happy and try to keep yourself engaged in some activity. Remove from your mind the thought that you are wrong. You can never be wrong because you are a part of God. It is your mind and inner self that have gone astray. Let them bear their consequences, but you should remain worry-free. You are an eternal part of God. No impurity can ever reside in you. You have simply forgotten yourself and identified with your body and mind, leading to all these mistakes. First and foremost, stop thinking that there is any flaw in you. As you think, so shall you become. This is the root cause of your depression. If you stop this mindset, you will begin to rise from today onward. Keep chanting Radha Radha continuously. If your mind thinks something, let it think. Just keep chanting Radha Radha repeatedly. Let the mistakes happen. You remain completely worry-free. Through chanting the holy name, you will one day gain the strength to overcome these habits naturally. That day will come very soon. Your efforts, combined with God's strength, will uplift you. Do not worry about your mistakes. Your happiness will gradually overpower your mistakes, and they will begin to dissolve. Slowly but surely, you will recover. One thing to note, never voluntarily masturbate again. This is crucial to improving the state of your mind. From now on, never engage in masturbation, just control your hands. Focus on this one thing and keep chanting Radha Radha. You will notice a difference within a month. If you are reading or listening to this article and chanting Radha Radha, know that you are under God's special grace. From today onward, consider yourself free of depression. Do not accept that you are depressed anymore. Let the mistakes happen, but stop just one thing, masturbation. Starting today, your transformation will begin. If you spend most of your time at home, you should step outside. Look for work or employment for at least 2 to 4 hours daily. Engage in any work. Do not remain idle at home. You could even take a small job at an office. Just don't sit idle and give your mind too much time. The mind is very cunning. Nowadays, young people are falling into bad habits, with lack of celibacy being a major cause. This impurity corrupts the mind, and that same mind punishes us. However, if we chant the holy name of God and live according to His teachings, the same mind becomes joyful. Spirituality is for correcting this mind. Once the mind is corrected, even amidst hardships, joy remains constant. Just keep chanting Radha Radha, and everything will be fine.